Good afternoon friends. Today I will be shooting an inline 4 beast, the Benelli TNT 600i. Benelli TNT 600i is an interesting machine, a basic motorcycle in design. It houses a 600cc inline 4-cylinder engine. The engine makes 82 PS at 11,500 rpm and 50 Nm of torque at 10,000 rpm. The first thing you will notice is the strong engine note. It's a proper inline 4 that we Indians tend to automatically look towards. As the revs climb, the noise only gets louder and raspier. The guys who loves an inline 4 engine sound, then this will be the best machine in the market. Even with the addition of ABS, the TNT 600i is priced at 5.83 lakhs ex-showroom at Kochi and 6.47 lakhs on road at Kochi. Okay, that's it. Thanks to Hari bro, and he will be giving me a top speed video clip shot by him. Thanks for watching guys. Like, share and subscribe. Like I said, there is always more to come.
to walk